Welcome to Sri Guru Sudhindra College Digital Learning Platform, Department of Computer Application BCA, and the subject is Data Structures using C. In the last session, I have explained tree data structures and its terminologies, right? What is tree, how it is organized, and its terminologies, right? Parent, child, siblings, degree, leaf node, and so on, right? In this session, I am going to explain the concept that is types of tree. Fine. You can see over here there are 5 types of trees, right? The first one is full or strict binary tree. It is also called a proper binary tree, and then complete binary tree, perfect binary tree, binary search tree, and expression tree, right? See, apart from this, we have red black tree, the n-ray tree, then AVL tree. Many types are there, right? But we are going to discuss these 5 types today. Fine. Okay. And you can see over here there is a word called binary tree everywhere, right? Then what is a binary tree? Binary means what? Binary means 2, right? 2 values, 0 and 1. Binary tree means it is a most basic form of tree structure where each node can have at most 2 children. Only the condition is that each node in a tree should have at most 2 children. At most means it may be 0 child or 1 child or 2 child, not more than 2, right? So you can see over here node A, parent node, or which is a root node, right, which is having 2 children, B and C, right? And if you consider the node B is having no child, C is also having no child. Fine, right? This can be considerable, right? At most 2 children means in a tree there should not be more than 2 children. This kind of trees are called binary tree. For example, see here, consider figure 1, right? There is only one node A, right? Is it a binary tree? Yes, it is a binary tree. See, node which is having 0 child also binary tree. Then figure 2, is it a binary tree? Yes, it is also binary tree, right? Consider node A is having only one child, right? B and B is also having only one child, right? So this tree is a binary tree, right? Figure number 3, is it a binary tree? Yes, it is also a binary tree. A is the parent of B. That means A is having only one child, B is also having only one child, C is also having only one child, and D is the leaf node and which is having no child, right? So this tree is binary tree. Why it is binary tree? See here, every node is having only one child except the leaf node, right? Here there is no node which is having more than 2 children, right? Then what about figure 4? Is it a binary tree? No, this is not the binary tree, right? See, node A which is having 3 children, right? So that is the reason it is not the binary tree. Now, what about figure 5? Figure 5, is it a binary tree? No, it is not a binary tree. See, from A to B, A is having only one child, B is also having only one child. That is fine, but we have to consider the whole tree structure, right? So that is the reason it is not a binary tree. Why? See, C is having 3 children. Binary tree means what? At most 2. 0, 1 or 2, not more than 2. That is the reason figure 5 also not a binary tree, right? So this is the concept of a binary tree. Fine. Okay, now let's look at types of tree one by one, right? First one is full binary tree, right? It is also called proper or strict binary tree, right? So what is full binary tree? A full binary tree is a tree in which every node in a tree has either 0 or 2 children. Only condition is that it should have either 0 or 2, not one child. Or you can say that except leaf node, all the nodes should have exactly 2 children, or every internal node should have exactly 2 children, right? This kind of tree is called full binary tree or proper or strict binary tree, right? What about figure 1? Is it a full binary tree? Yes, it is, right? Consider node A. A is having exactly two children, B and C. What about B? B is having two children again, right? D and E. What about C? C is having zero child, right? This is acceptable, either 0 or 2, right? What about D and E? See, these D, E and C are leaf node. Leaf node means which is obviously it is having zero child, right? So this is the full, proper or strict binary tree. What about figure 2? Is it a full binary tree? No, it is not. Why? See here, A, if you consider A, B and C, two children, fine. What about B? B is having only one child. This is not acceptable, right? So figure 2 is not a full binary tree. Is it a binary tree? Yes, it is. A figure 2 is a binary tree, that is fine, but it is not full, proper or strict binary tree. Fine, you can see some more example. See here, what about figure 3? Is it a binary tree? Full binary tree? Yes, it is, right? See, you can see over here, A which is having exactly two children, B which is having exactly two children, again E is having exactly two children, and all the leaf nodes having zero child, right? So figure 3 is the full binary tree. What about figure 4? Is it a full binary tree? No, it is not, because it is violating the condition of binary tree only at node E, right? You can see over here, node E which is having 3 children, that is not acceptable in binary tree. So that is the reason figure 4 is neither full binary tree nor binary tree. Fine, this is all about full, proper or strict binary tree. Okay, next, complete binary tree. Second one is complete binary tree. In a tree, all levels are completely filled except the last level, and all the nodes in the last level are as left as possible. Means here we are considering the levels of the tree, right? See, levels, it start from root node, right? Root node at the level 0, right? In our figure, A is the root node, A is at the level 0, then B and C are at the level 1, and D and E are at level 2, right? So here, complete binary tree means what? All the levels are completely filled except the last level, right? In figure 1, last level means second level, level 2. There are two nodes, D and E, right? This is the last level. Now, complete binary tree means all the levels are completely filled except the last level. Our last level is this one, right? See, remaining level should be completely filled, right? First one is, this is completely filled, only one node, and which is having two children, right? Two children. This is also completely filled. Now, this level, last level, is not completed, right? To make it complete, what is missing there? The missing is children of C is missing, right? See, but still it is a complete binary tree. Why? What is the condition? Condition is that all the nodes in the last level are as left as possible. In our figure, which is the last level, this is the last level, right? And which is the leftmost child in the last level? D. D is the leftmost child at last level. Then next one is E, right? Okay. Next, see here, children of C is missing, but it is fine because it is start filling from left to right, right? Left side it is completely filled, right? Only right side part is missing. That is the reason it is the complete binary tree. Fine. Next, what about figure 2? Is it a complete binary tree? No, it is not a complete binary tree. Why it is not a complete binary tree? So consider the last level. This is the last level, right? So in the last level, these children supposed to be there, right? Because nodes in the last level as left as possible. Then only we can consider this as the complete binary tree, right? See, this left part is missing, and consider over here, this is also missing. C's children should be there because this is the last level, means previous level, this one has to be filled first, right? That is the reason it is not a complete binary tree. Fine. And this is for your assignment. Okay, you have to identify which is the complete binary tree and which is not, and you have to give the proper reason. Fine. And third type is perfect binary tree. Right? Perfect binary tree is a tree in which all internal nodes should have two children and all leaf nodes are at same level. Right? See, consider figure 1. Here A and B are internal nodes, right? And C, D and E, these three are leaf nodes, right? See, first condition is all the internal nodes should have two children, right? Internal node A is having two children, yes, right? A is having two children, B and C. B is also having two children, D and E, right? This condition is correct. What about second one? All the leaf nodes are at same level, right? But in figure 1, this all leaf nodes means C, E and D, these nodes are not at same level, right? That is the reason figure 1 is not a perfect binary tree. What about figure 2? Figure 2 is a perfect binary tree, right? See here, first condition is all the internal nodes should have two children, right? So internal nodes here A, then B and C, right? And leaf nodes are D, E, F and G. All the internal nodes have two children. A is having two children, B and C. B is also having two children, D and E. C also having two children, F and G. First condition is satisfied. And all leaf nodes are at same level, right? All the leaf nodes are at the same level. So this is the perfect binary tree. And the fourth type is binary search tree. And short form of the binary search tree is BST. Fine. See, what is binary search? You know the concept, right? Binary search means we have to find the mid element, and lesser element we have to store at the left side, and larger element we are going to store at the right side, right? Same concept we have to apply here. Binary search tree is a binary tree in which all data elements in the left subtree of a node X are less than the content of X, and all the elements in the right subtree of a node X are greater than the content of node X. That means consider a node X and left subtree of that node X should be less than that node X, and right subtree you have to consider the entire subtree, right? For example, see here, this is the node, okay, this is a node A. Left subtree of this node A is this thing, whole thing is the left subtree, right? This left subtree node values or elements should be less than the value of A. And right subtree is this one, right? This is the right subtree of A, right? These values, right subtree values should be greater than the value of A, right? For example, you can see over here, see, consider node 40, okay? For this node 40, this entire thing is the left subtree and this entire thing is the right subtree. Fine. Now what is the condition? Left subtree should be less than the value of that node, right? See, left subtree should be less than 40, right? See here, 30 is less than 40, 25 is less than 40, 35 also less than 40, right? See, and right subtree is greater than 40, right? See, 60 is greater than 40, 50 is greater than 40, and 70 also greater than 40. This is fine for node 40. Same thing we have to apply for the every node. Now consider node 30. For node 30, left side should be less, right? So 25 is less than 30, and right side should be greater than that value 30, right? So 35 is greater than 30. Fine. But this 35 should not be greater than 40. This is one of the important condition. It only greater than 30, 35 should be greater than 30, but it should not greater than this node 40. Here also consider here 60, consider the node 60. Left side should be less than, okay, 50 is less than 60, and right side should be greater than, 70 is greater than 60, fine. But this 50 is there, right? This should not be less than 40. This is the condition, right? For example, see, we can extend this. See here, again, if you consider node 25 here, 25, left side should be less, so 15, okay. And right side should be greater than 25, okay, 28. But this 28 should not be greater than 30. Right? Again, if you consider the 35 over here, 35, it is the right child of 30, right? So it should be greater than 30. Okay, fine. If you consider the 35, left side, it is the 32. Right side, it is the 38. But this left side should not be less than 30. Right? This is the concept of binary search tree. Okay? And the last type is expression tree. Fine. An expression tree is a binary tree in which all leaf nodes are operands and all internal nodes are operators, right? This is very simple, right? All the leaf nodes are operands here, right? Leaf nodes means what? Leaf nodes which does not have any child, right? See here, leaf nodes are 6, 5, 3, 5. Okay, these all are the leaf nodes, right? In expression tree, all the leaf nodes are operands and all the internal nodes are operators, right? See, all the internal nodes means which is having at least one child, right? This is called the internal nodes, right? So all the internal nodes in the expression tree are operators, right? This tree is called the expression tree. Fine. This is all about types of tree. Fine. Thank you.